Emergency positioning indicating radio vision. Locate the sliding cover or bottom of the apron. Slide the protective cover to one side. Flip the switch or push the button in order to activate the apron. Once activated, the apron will flash and a strobe is activated.
Start.
Flip the black plastic tab from the left, lock to right is to unlock. To activate the SART, follow the instruction. Read the label, place the SART in the mounting.
Hand player. Diyan. Malit. Diyan. Yan.
Hand flare. Activate hand flare, follow the instruction, attach the label, remove the cap. Full extension, if needed, otherwise nothing. Gloves available on the hand, pull string or tap inside away from the signal.
Rocket parachute player. Yung katabi. Yan.
Rocket parachute flare. Read the instruction needed or attach on the label. Hold rocket parachute flare vertically with the red cup upward. Hold the center of the signal vertically by one hand. Take out ignition cord by the other end and pull it downward. After ignition, hold the signal with both hands firmly. Rocket is launched in 2 seconds.
Boil smoke signal.
Boil smoke signal activate by pulling lightly in the safety cover. Throw it into the water near the vessel.
Ayun.
Sir, red, plastic, oily rags, domestic, then food waste.
Ano yung domestic? Ano yung ibig sabihin?
Domestic, sir, bottles, papers, cans.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next. Pag malisunod.
Yes, sir.
You have to execute, sir,
Lapit ka.
the heading, which is 260, the magnetic 254. You also have to execute the C conditions, which is good, weather condition is calm, and also the speed is 8 knots.
Okay. While vessel in port.
Well, then for import, you have to explain what is the security level. For example, we are getting security level number 3. The status of our loading is at 30%, and we are expecting to be finished by 1800. The status of our headlights are slack, and the status of our stern and breast line is slack.
Okay. Handing over what's white at anchor.
Well, at anchor, sir, you have to explain which part of the anchor, if it's on port or starboard side. For example, we are using the starboard anchor, 5 shackles on the water, and the status of the sea is calm and no obstruction.
Okay. Identify ship waste garbage color code.
Sir, for the yellow po, the plastic, papers, the black is the oil rods, the red is the plastic, and the blue is for the food waste.
Okay. Next.